Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be using onion to enhance my hair growth. So after boiling the onion, I pour the water in this bottle with a sport so I can evenly distribute it through sections of my hair. But the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to section my hair into four parts, so I can do it section by section so you can see. So let me just part my hair, then just get this out of the way. I'm just going to use my clips to separate each part of my hair as I go along. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my onion mixture. I'm just going to pour it the scarf of my hair. That goes evenly in my hair, around the edges. Just rub that in because it's running, and I'm going to part. And I'm going to do this as I go along. I'm just going to part. I'm going to put it through my hair as I go along. So I'm going to do this for my entire hair. I'm going to put it through the scalp and also on the hair for even distribution. Now, onion is a great hair and a growth enhancer. It helps stimulate hair growth, and so I'm going to put it also on my hair to help straighten my hair. So let me just take this section out. This is done before you actually shampoo your hair. So you can do this before you actually use shampoo in your hair. And it's going to be running, so you can make sure you have like a towel or something that you can use to wrap around the sections of your hair. So I'm going to be doing the back. Same thing, I'm going to be distributing the onion mixture. So it's just onion boiled in water, and I'm distributing it throughout my hair. So it's running. Yes, it's a little bit messy because it's running, but I'm trying to finish this as soon as possible so that I can put on the steam cap. I'm going to be putting on a steam cap. And I'm going to leave it on for maybe an hour or an hour and a half. You leave it on for as long as you want to. And again, I'm going to make sure that this is on my hair. So I'm going to be putting it on my hair as well. So you don't only put it on the scarf, you actually put it also on the ear. again, I'm taking this out of the way. So it's water, it's liquid, so it's actually running a lot. You can see. I'm trying to go quickly, do it as fast as I can because it is running. It's running, so it's I want it to run all out, so I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Again, I'm putting this on my hair. So after putting in the onion mixture, I'm going to use a shower cap to, and I'm going to leave it on for